Alright guys, just want to make a quick video on the correct way to install these belt drives onto your X-Maxx. A lot of videos online. Some kind of go over it pretty quickly, and there's some that are actually pretty cringeworthy with how they install the belt. Alright, so when you're installing the when you're installing the spur gear, be sure to install it with the belt already around it. If you bolt this down and don't have the belt around it, there's no way to get it on, so just push all that down and get your 4 bolts in there. Put that all down. Alright, when it comes time to put your pinion side on, what you want to do is set your mount down and get your gears lined up. Get your pinion and your spur lined up where it should be. Raise your motor up a little bit to where you think it should be, and then don't put your motor mount, don't screw that in, and then try to wedge your belt onto this spur. You're going to damage the belt. The belt's meant to have pressure all along the teeth, so when you start using screwdrivers and forcing this belt on there like this, all you're doing is damaging this belt. Much, much easier way right here. Take that, and literally you can do it with one hand and just install it like that. Push it down with your hand, or go ahead and install your 4 bolts into the motor mount. Check your pressure. I've already done the pressure on this one, so it's fine. If the pressure's wrong, just lift it back out and redo it. Lift your motor mount a little bit up, and then slide that back down in there. It's literally all you got to do. You do not force this belt on there with screwdrivers and brute force. All you're going to do is damage this belt. It literally takes one hand to install this belt. And there you go, guys.